Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing this new laptop from the house of Acer. So Acer has came up with a new series which is the Concept series. So there are a total 11 models out of which only 2 are being shipped in India. So this one which I have, this is the Concept D5. So let's unbox this and find out what this concept is all about. So let's get this out. Pretty impressive packing. Concept D. So this is the literature, I guess. Yes. The user manual and some other things. So this is the charger cable, I suppose. Yeah, it's a charger cable. It's the power cord and this is the adapter. Just let's take this out now. Why it actually looks really rich. I don't know how the system is, but I am in love with this white color. Okay, so this is the backlit keyboard. So let's turn this on. So I'll quickly set this up, restart the machine and I'll get back to you because there is nothing much to show in the setup. So the setup is complete. I have installed the softwares which are required and now this is the first login. So this is a Intel Core i7-8705G quad-core 3.10 GHz processor. It comes with a AMD Radeon graphics card as well as a dedicated onboard card. Also the screen size is 15.6 inches which is a LCD type. And this is a 4K Ultra HD display which has a LED backlit technology. And the best part about it is it opens 180 degrees. It has a 16 gigs of RAM which is DDR4 type. And it comes with a 512 GB of hard disk, but this particular model it has a 1 TB of hard disk already installed which is a solid state. It also has a microphone, inbuilt microphone and also a fingerprint reader as well. Coming on the outer side, so it has 3 USB 3.1 type A and 1 USB 3.1 type C. So total number of USB ports are 4 with 1 dedicated HDMI port. Now coming back to performance. So this system being a 3.10 GHz with a 16 GB of RAM, I did face performance issues while I was working, especially on the graphical part, that is high-end graphics. It might be due to the 4 GB graphics card which is pre-installed in the system, because normally whenever you are working on with graphical content, the minimum requirement of any graphics card is 8 GB or more. So this being a 4 GB graphics card, yeah, it was giving me those lags and those glitches. So that was point number 1. Second point with regards to gaming. So I tried playing AAA title games on this system. What I observed was till the time my resolution is 1080p, the games are working absolutely fine, absolutely brilliant. No glitches, no lags or no issues whatsoever. As soon as I'm upscaling the resolution to 4K, it's again giving me those glitches and those lags. So these were the 2 cons which I observed. So considering the configuration, it should not have happened, but yeah, again the graphics card is only 4 GB. The third point is the fan noise. So Acer on their website they say it's less than 20 decibels, but we actually can hear the noise of the fan whenever it's turning on. So these were the cons. Coming back to the pros. So this is a great buy for enthusiasts or creators, especially if you have a tight budget. Like if you're looking for a laptop under 1.5 lakhs, so this one will be the best buy. However, they also have one more model concept, D5 Pro. You can also check it out on their website. So that's all for today. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys.